Welcome to Minexa.ai, where anyone can scrape university program listings from unsw.edu.au and turn them into structured datasets in minutes. I am going straight to the page that shows the full list of university programs on unsw.edu. At this point, click the Minexa icon to launch the extension and start extracting data. Once the panel opens, hit "I'm on the right page," and Minexa starts analyzing the university program listings on unsw.edu.au. Pagination detected. Minexa will move through every page automatically to gather all listings for you. Now choose whether to scrape just the list or also each program's detail page for deeper data. Head straight to Continue, or use Advanced if you need to select filters or click buttons before the list loads. Minexa found and highlighted the data container automatically. Hit Create Scraper, and it learns what data to pull from the page. Minexa identified all key details in the university program listings, such as program names, codes, durations, and study modes, ensuring nothing important is missed. If you write code, click API Request, copy the code, and scrape thousands of similar pages without any extra setup or hassle. Click the button to confirm your configuration, save your scraper, and get it ready to extract data. Pagination detected automatically. Your scraper will collect results across every page without extra input. One last thing, connect Google Sheets or schedule this job, then click to create it and finalize your setup. Hit Run. That is all there is to it. Minexa will start extracting all program listings automatically. This dataset spans multiple pages, but every row looks identical, with consistent column names set once during training and reused across pages. Fields include program names, codes, durations, delivery modes, and fees, providing a complete and structured overview of university courses. Download your dataset. Open it in Excel, and every field is already separated into columns for easy analysis. No code, no technical knowledge, no extra costs. Minexa.ai works for anyone needing web data and scales to any volume developers require.